Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Allow me to provide you with the step-by-step procedure on how to use voice typing in Microsoft Word. Voice typing is a great feature that allows you to dictate your text with your voice instead of using a keyboard or mouse. There is a simple way to use voice typing in Microsoft Word. Please follow these steps. Make sure you have a microphone connected to your computer. Check your microphone is working now. Open a new or existing Word document. Click the Home tab. Select Dictated button. But if you not found, press the Windows plus H key from your keyboard. A microphone box will appear at the top. Now you're ready to write in your document with voice. Speak clearly and at a normal pace. To pause dictation, click the microphone icon again. To stop dictation, click the microphone close button. And you've stopped the voice typing. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave your comments below.